day 6, and this is the final day of me turning a storage unit into an art studio / office for my small business. I'm just gonna put lights in my studio. I'm going to set up the extension cord, turn on all my electronics to make sure everything's working, and just do any other finishing touches. So yeah. So first thing is the extension cord. So this is a 25 feet extension cord. It's that long ass shit, boy. Yeah, boy. I know it is, right? 8. Because you're probably like, bitch, you got an extension cord. Where the power come from? Let me show you. So right here, right next to my storage unit, I have an outlet. But yeah, I'm gonna plug this in that outlet. So as you see right there, I put the extension cord. There's like a spacing in between the storages, so I put it through that spacing. I hope you enjoyed me transforming a storage unit into an art studio / office, and you should try it out as well. If you have any questions for me, definitely ask, and I will be sure to answer them. I'm actually about to answer some questions that have already been asked for me. I'm sorry for the delay, but they're coming, okay?